In this video, I'll show you how to create a Binance P2P merchant account. It is a straightforward and clearly described in this video, so follow all the steps. But before we dive into all of it, make sure you hit the subscribe button below and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest content. Alright, what is a Binance peer-to-peer merchant account? Before we can even know the benefits of it, make sure you sign up for a Binance account first. If you don't have one, this is the perfect time. Okay? And log in using your credentials. I'm here at Binance.com on my computer. And if you are on a mobile device, open the Binance app. And once you are there, log in again with your details and let's go here. How to become a Binance P2P cash merchant, alright? So basically, Binance has launched a cash zone to enroll users as cash merchants on the Binance P2P platform. So when you become a Binance P2P cash merchant, you can post ads with cash as a payment method and make money by posting cash trading ads, right? So what are the benefits for Binance P2P cash merchants? Simply, you have the privilege to post cash ads, get regional traffic via the P2P cash trade zone, enjoy powerful ad management tools, develop your own resale network by posting ads for physical Binance gift cards with your preferred prices, and a cash merchant exclusive activities and marketing opportunities. All right. So what are the requirements are needed to become a cash merchant? Simply be a verified Binance P2P merchant. All right. Of course, you have to have an experience in handling cash trades. Have a physical store or office with regular operating hours. This is very important, guys. You don't have to skip this. All right. Depending on the region you're based in, you also need to have the capacity to provide a security deposit, all right? So how do I become a Binance P2P cash merchant, all right? So if you're not a verified merchant yet, you'll need to apply to become a verified merchant first. So do so simply, log into your Binance account, which you did, all right? Click Trade, P2P, okay, here. User Center, all right? And be a merchant or merchant application, or you can access the P2P merchant application here, right here, cash merchant, and apply now, right? So once your P2P merchant application has been accepted, go to the cash merchant tab and click apply now, all right? You will be redirected to the merchant portal where you can submit a cash merchant application. And if you are already a verified P2P merchant, log into your Binance account and click Trade, P2P User Center, and Merchant Portal. Enter the information required on the form and click Next. If you reside in a region where security deposit is required, make sure that you have enough funds in your funding wallet. So you click on this link to check if you have like a balance in your funding wallet or if it's enough. And once you've filled the basics, guys, input the information of your cash store, right? You'll then be asked to provide proof of rental, contract, property ownership, and at least 5 photos or videos to show the store environment and surroundings. Then input your opening hours. You can choose customize your hours or select a default operating time, right? The deposit session corresponds to the required deposit amount in each region. So you'll see the deposit required for your store and the available amount in your funding wallet. So if you don't have enough funds, you can click transfer to add more funds from your spot wallet. And if you're happy with the information you've provided and the deposit amount, click submit and confirm. A Binance representative will contact you via Telegram or email within 14 days to conduct a store review if you pass the first screening, alright? And while the store is under review, you can still change the basic information you provided by going to profile and clicking view and update, alright? And once your store is approved, you can access the merchant portal and post your first cash ad, alright? So that's how you become a Binance P2P merchant account. So if you still have problems, submitting or having errors getting the application, I suggest you click the support button here, and the agents will be more than glad to assist you with any of your concerns. All right, and that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all in the next one.